Yeah, King, look who's back.
This content is intended for ages 13 plus only. If you are younger than 13, please do not watch this content.
What's going on, YouTube? What's happening? Hope everybody's having a great day. Hope everybody's staying safe. D the Toy Hunter here. First things first, if you are new and you like what I do, go ahead, super kick that subscribe button. Be sure to like, comment, and share. Hit that bell. Join the Naughty Squad. And if you aren't new, welcome back. So, been a while. A lot of things have changed, but the more things change, the more they stay the same. We got some mail that we've been sitting on for about a week or two. I ain't gonna lie, I've just been lazy and just didn't feel like unboxing it. But I feel good. So let's get to the unboxing, y'all. First things first, we're going to start with the small package, and I believe this is from Ringside. And I know what this is, but I need to see it with my own eyes. Because, ladies and gentlemen, this is this is a Ringside exclusive.
DJ Son
I'll dump that out. Case and all, we got Walter. Ringside exclusive. Absolutely love this figure, and I didn't give much for it. Only paid $24 for it because at one point I believe this figure was going for about 50 or 60 bucks. I did some research and I did some digging online, and the only place I could. Now, I ain't gonna lie, I wasn't gonna pay 50, 60 bucks for Ringside, just so Ringside. One day, found this guy on sale at 24. I had to jump on. But a really cool figure. This figure's a little old because he just lost the UK title not too long ago, but I've seen several people in the community talk highly about this figure, and I just had to get it. Of course, I had to get it in the case. So, but we got Walter, as you can see, UK title. He's got his robe, of course, the Ringside exclusive, and overall, just a really cool figure. There's nothing more to say about this figure other than the fact that I got it at a great price. So, check Ringside, and if you see it at the price that I got it at, be sure to pick it up. And now for the main event of this video, we got a box, we got some mail from a boy, Mr. Joey Reckless, Joey Diggs in the house. Shouts out to him. And go subscribe to this channel. Puts out dope content. I think the last time I talked to Joey, he said I was going to be quite surprised with what I get in this box. So I hope you're right, Joey. God damn, I hope you're right. So we all let's see what we're gonna see. Nice shipping job, Joey. Oh. Okay.
DJ Son of Free.
Gotta know. What up, champ? Happy I get to call you a friend. Hella thankful for you. Hope you like these figs. Just make sure you hit that chase dance. Love you, bro. Joey Reckless. Oh, man. Well, first off, he sent me something from Pro Wrestling Crate. Oh, snap. Okay. We got an autograph 8x10 of the world's strongest man, Mark Henry. That is dope. And it is certified by Pro Wrestling Tees. Definitely dope. Definitely gotta get a frame for this and hang it up. Man, Joey, you got me off to a good start here. Dope, man. Very, very dope. Shouts out to the man, Joey. But now the figs. Oh boy, damn it, Joey, I hate you. Let's cue the dance up right quick. Let's cue the dance up right quick. Man sends me the Nakamura chase. Yeah. I had a hard time tracking this guy down for some odd reason. When Wave 81 came out, I found everybody that I wanted in this wave, but I'd never seen the Nakamura chase. And, damn it, Joey, you sent it to me. What other fire do you have in this box? Wow. Okay. He also sent me the classy Freddie Blassie first time in the line Elite. I can't remember which wave this was in, but my dumbass, I seen it in store and I passed on it. And then when I went back to get it, it was gone. Definitely happy to have this. One of the better heel managers of all time. And bruh. It's me, Jake the Snake, y'all. And if I'm not mistaken, I think this is the chase. Correct me if I'm wrong in the comment section. I'm gonna, and when I get off the camera, I'm definitely gonna do some more research. But I think this is the chase. I think. I could be wrong, but man, Joey, you sir are a gentleman and a scholar, and I will dance at your wedding. But again, man, huge shout out to the man, to my homie Joey Reckless, man. You hooked me up with some good stuff. Shouts out to you, brother. Quick recap of everything we unboxed today. We got the Ringside exclusive Walter with the UK Championship. We got Jake the Snake Roberts. We got the Shinsuke Nakamura chase, and we got the first time in the line classy Freddie Blassie. Again, huge shout out to my man Joey Reckless, and a huge shout out to Ringside for putting this in a case. And just a huge shout out to the homie Joey. Man, a lot of fire here. And those are my reviews. Whew. Like I said, it feels good to be back in front of the camera. A lot of really cool personal stuff has been happening as well. And man, it just feels good to be in front of the camera. Since I gave y'all an unboxing, I got to give y'all a hunt sometime soon. So just be on the lookout for that. Again, just a huge shout out to my man Joey Reckless. Matter of fact, just shout out to everybody that's a part of the Wrestling Fanatics. Joey Reckless, Duke, Stevie, AJ the Collector, Fitz. I mean, it's just so many people, man. Just a huge shout out to them. Love chopping it up with you guys whenever I can, and you know, just again, Joey, I can't thank you enough for the feeds, and yeah, good things are starting to happen on the channel, and I want you to be a part of it. So, if you're new, you like what I do, go ahead, super kick that subscribe button. Be sure to like, comment, and share. Hit that bell notification for upcoming content. And remember to be blessed, be good to your fellow man, try to find happiness in this crazy world. I'll see y'all on the next one. I'm D the Toy Hunter, and I'm all elite.